Hey, what's up everyone? Danny Lighting back with another video today. We're going to be checking out this really nice little noise canceling microphone by Nearstream. It does come with a boom arm, or you can get it with a desk stand. I think there's two different packages, but this seems like a really cool little microphone if you like noise canceling. So let's get to it. So the first thing we're going to do on this microphone is test out the noise canceling. Right now we do have this in noise canceling mode. There is a lot of background sounds. I have a fan running. I have a simulated coffee shop in the background with a bunch of hustle and bustle and noise that would be very, very annoying for somebody to listen to if it was playing in the background. Let me go ahead and crank that up even more. So we just have all kinds of horrible noise in the background. Let's go ahead and turn the noise canceling off and let you hear what it sounds like without it. That can be very distracting or even sound pretty awful. So let's go and crank the fan up more, and let's even go ahead and crank the background noise up even louder, and then we're going to go ahead and turn the noise canceling back on. I mean, that is awful. That is awful to listen to, but now we're back on noise canceling mode, and it'll be interesting to see how well this microphone gets rid of all the unwanted noise in the background. I mean, it's very loud. It's crazy, crazy loud, and I do not like it. So let's go ahead and turn that back off. And now the noise canceling is back off again. So that's what it sounds like with the noise canceling on and off in a noisy environment and how well it works. Now that was pretty much torturing my eardrums. We've shut all that mess off. So right now we're just going to do a couple of tests. Like if you get right up on top of the microphone, this is the way it sounds. Or if you back off a little bit, this is how it sounds. Let's back up a little more. We're currently about a spread hand length away from the microphone, which is probably about as far as you ever want to be away from a dynamic mic. Let's go and back up a little bit more. So now we are way too far away from the microphone. Now we're way, way, way too far away. We're arm length away, and you don't want to be that far away from your microphone. Ideal position is probably about 3 to 4 fingers away from a dynamic mic. So you want to get this thing up on a boom arm and get it pretty close to your mouth. That will give you the best results. The next thing we're going to do is test for sibilance and plosive. So Peter Piper picked a pack of peppers and Sally sells seashells. Sally sells seashells. Peter Parker prefers pineapple pizza, but his spidey senses tell him something different. So we're listening to see if the P's pop the microphone and if the S sound harsh. Let's go ahead and do that again in noise canceling mode. Peter Parker prefers pineapple pizza, but his spidey senses tell him something different. Peter Parker, Peter Parker, Peter Parker. Let's turn the noise canceling off and Peter Parker, Peter Parker, Peter Parker, Peter Parker. And I'm actually trying to force those P's out so the little blast of air goes into the microphone just to test out if this microphone has a problem with plosives or sibilants. But yeah, that's how they sound on this microphone. All right, so now we're going to go ahead and do a keyboard test. I've got a somewhat loud mechanical keyboard here, so we're going to type on that thing. This is probably where a keyboard would be if you were sitting at your desk and typing, and this is how it does without the noise canceling. So let's go ahead and turn on the noise canceling and see how this rejects the keyboard sounds. So let's go ahead and push the button. All right, now the noise canceling is on, and yeah, we're going to go ahead and just type on this. Let's bring this even closer. Let's bring it up here. I mean, if this is blocking this out, I will be amazed, but maybe it is, maybe it's not. So this is our keyboard test, and let's go ahead and turn the noise canceling back off. And yeah, there it is with the noise canceling off. Now we're going to do a tap test. I'm going to go ahead and tap on the microphone stand. So if you were bumping the microphone or the stand, that's what you would hear. You want to listen to see if there's any unwanted resonance. Let's just go ahead and tap on the microphone itself. I mean, you're definitely going to be hearing some noise because we're tapping on stuff and that does make noise. You're just listening for like a ringing or a resonant sound that just kind of goes blong, blong, blong and comes back up through the microphone. That's what you don't really want to hear. So you have been listening to this microphone on USB. Let's go ahead and plug this in with the XLR cable and see what this microphone sounds like on XLR compared to USB, and then we'll finish up the video on XLR. Okay, so this is what the microphone sounds like on XLR. Now, generally, microphones will sound better on XLR than they do on USB, but you lose all the features. On USB, you have the noise canceling and all that good stuff, but On XLR, of course, you do not. Does this microphone sound better on XLR than it did on USB? We're going to find out. I'm going to listen to this and play it back in just a minute, and then we're going to give you my final thoughts and conclusions on the microphone. All right, so I just listened to all of the tests and played everything back, and honestly, this microphone did perform pretty well. The big question is, would I recommend this microphone? It looks like this microphone is around $70 and it comes with a boom arm and the whole kit right there. And honestly, it's not bad. For a microphone under $100 that has some really nice noise canceling, if you're looking for a noise canceling USB microphone that will make your voice sound nice, I mean, honestly, I can't really find anything to complain about this other than the fact that when it's in noise canceling mode, it's light blue, and when it's when it's in noise canceling mode, it's on dark blue, and when it's not on noise canceling mode, the light on the microphone is a light blue. So I wish they would have done like green and blue or something. That would be easier to remember between dark blue and light blue. I'm having a hard time remembering which one is noise canceling mode and which one is not. So that is one thing to think about. I can't really think of anything else to complain about this microphone other than I wish they would have done the light colors a little bit differently. But overall, for your average person, for somebody who's doing live streams or gaming videos or a YouTube channel, or somebody who's on Zoom calls or something like that, I think this microphone is great. It's a great microphone. I mean, as an audio professional, this is not something I would buy to record music with. I wouldn't use this for like a voice acting gig or anything like that, but this will make you sound nice and it gives you some wicked noise canceling, which is pretty freaking cool. So for a microphone under $100 with really good noise canceling built in that makes your voice sound pretty decent, I would say yes, I think I could recommend this microphone. But let's go ahead and switch this back to USB for a minute. All right, so now we're back on USB, and this is how it sounds on USB. And right now we have it on dark blue, so I believe that means the noise canceling is on. But it's a cool little microphone, definitely worth the $70. If you're looking for a dynamic noise canceling microphone, it's a great microphone for your average person who wants noise canceling. So yeah, I do recommend it. I like it. Pretty cool features. There will be some affiliate links in the video's description as to where you can get one of these. I'll put a link to the Nearstream website and everything else. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe. And I forgot to mention they did send me this microphone for free to review, but my reviews are honest. They don't pay me. They don't do any of that stuff. It's just a really nice little microphone, and I do like it. So anyways, I think that's going to wrap this one up. Thanks for watching. You guys and gals are awesome. Lightning out. See ya. Thanks for watching my video. I hate to say, but it's time to go. Maybe you could watch another one. That might be really fun. Thanks for watching my video. Thanks for watching my video. Thanks for watching you. Thanks for watching my video.